Hi, I'm Zeza Oreiki-Sao and I'm the founder of Malée Natural Science. Moisturized skin is key to me and giving that to you is important. Our Verdure Conditioning Body Cream is made for all year round, suitable for all skin types, dry skin, sensitive skin, especially in the winter where things are a little colder and the radiators dry out our skin. Using a moisturizer is important to keeping your skin supple, nourished, and youthful looking all year round. I was inspired to create this product because I love the feeling of a lotion, but love the benefits of a moisturizing butter, and couldn't find a product on the market that did both for me. And so then I created this. With the texture of a lotion and the moisturizing capabilities of a butter, when you apply this, it sinks straight into the skin, a little goes a long way, and you don't have that heavy greasy feeling on your skin, but you get a lovely matte velvet finish that is smooth and soft to touch. Made with avocado oil, wheat germ oil, mango seed butter, this conditioning body cream is going to do not just moisturize, but also condition your skin from deeper layers within, so you end up with supple, smooth, youthful looking skin. And as a pro tip, apply this on slightly damp skin when you come out of the shower and see it sink right in.